National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, western Lake County in northeastern Illinois, northern LaSalle County in north-central Illinois, southeastern Lee County in north-central Illinois, DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, Kane County in northeastern Illinois, McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, western DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, eastern Boone County in north-central Illinois, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:34 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Capron to near Kirkland to 8 miles east of Amboy, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Aurora, Naperville, Elgin, Schaumburg, Hoffman Estates, Carroll Stream, Carpentersville, St. Charles, Oswego, Algonquin, West Chicago, McHenry, Batavia, Woodstock, Geneva, Grays Lake, Lake Zurich, Round Lake, Sycamore, and Yorkville. Including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 72 and 78. Interstate 88 between mile markers 87 and 125. Interstate 90 between mile markers 22 and 50. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
That's a lot.
Yeah, per year at the SULOX, we have maybe 4,700 ships per year in the past. Through carrying over 80 million tons.